Do you want to know one of the ways to catch a criminal? I'm Hannah Seal and I'm a senior lecturer at the University of South Wales, and I'm going to show you how to enhance finger marks in blood. So I've set a slide, we've got 3 finger marks on there, and I'm going to be using a technique called amido black. Now it has 3 stages, the first stage being the fixing solution. So I place my item in the fixing solution and it stays in there normally for about 4 minutes. The fixing solution makes sure that my finger marks stay there and that they don't disperse over our surface. Once that one's done, I place it within our amido black. Now what that does is it will connect to the proteins in the blood and it will dye those prints black so that we can really see them. It has to stay in there for about 2 minutes. Once it's done in the amido black, we need to make sure I put it in the destaining solution, because the destaining solution will make sure that all the background is left and we're left with the black on our print. And I'm going to say that myself, but it's absolutely perfect. We can see the 3 prints there. So they've come up, they've been dyed with our amido black, and that is one of the ways that you can catch a criminal.